Hey guys, I'm Rhett with Section 8 Real Estate Investing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave your questions and comments below. I'll make sure I get to every single one of them. Guys, today's topic is more bedrooms, more money. What does that mean and why is it important? Well, I'll tell you exactly what it means. You buy a property, it is worth more money with more bedrooms. Now, that's for multiple reasons. One is the rental aspect, okay? And the other is the resale aspect, okay? The more bedrooms it has, the more people in there, bigger families, right? More valuable, okay? Also, there's a lot higher demand for properties with more bedrooms. There might not be a lot of demand for a property with one bedroom or two bedroom, right? So more bedrooms, more money, that's very important. Now, if you don't believe it's that important, even the government believes it's more important. The demand is higher. Behind me right here, I have Section 8 Government HUD Fair Market Rent Standards for the year 2021. Now, I've mentioned fair market rent by HUD in some other videos. You guys can find out what fair market rents are in your area by going to HUD.gov, going to the fair market rents section of HUD, and typing in your state, zip code, county, and it'll give you all the information what HUD will pay you for a Section 8 rental in your town, okay? Now, I've pulled these numbers directly from HUD, okay? Right from that same website that I just told you guys. These are the numbers between Birmingham, Alabama, where I have property, and Nashville, Tennessee, where I have property, okay? Now, this is what HUD will pay you for a Section 8 rental with one bedroom, two bedrooms, three bedrooms, and four bedrooms, okay? The average entry price within city limits in Birmingham, Alabama, median listing price is $169,900, okay? Keep that in mind. Nashville, it's $354,300 is the median listing price within the city limits of Nashville, okay? Pretty huge difference there, right? Nashville is considerably more money to get in. Here, you can see as you add another bedroom, how drastic that price is going up, right? Every single time. So if I were to buy a property in Birmingham, Alabama, would I buy a one bedroom for $871, or would I want to buy a three bedroom and get $1,300 a month in rent from Section 8? Now, this is all Section 8 standards because it was the only way that I could go evenly across the lines to show you guys how, for rental properties, these are much more valuable. I also want to show you how HUD is going to pay you a much higher return by having a Section 8 property in Birmingham than in Nashville. Think about this. You spend $354,000 on a property in Nashville, Tennessee, and you want to rent it out. You have a three-family home you want to rent out. You're going to get a maximum of $1,539 a month for that property, right? In Birmingham, you can buy a three-bedroom, we'll say for $169,900, you can get in a lot cheaper than that. And the government, HUD, is going to pay you $1,303. Run those numbers, right? The return is so much greater, $1,300 a month on $169,900, than it is $1,539 on $354,000. So that's just kind of a side bit to this whole thing. But going back to the topic of this video, more bedrooms, more money. You want to buy properties that have more bedrooms, especially for buy and holds. There is a much greater demand for families that need housing. Multiple kids need housing, right? Why is that? Well, I'll tell you why. You have huge apartment complexes, right? Whether they're government subsidized or not. How many of those apartment complexes really have three-bedroom, four-bedroom properties? Not units, not many, right? So if you have a lot of kids, you're gonna get pushed out of those apartment complexes. Where are you going to go? There is a demand for affordable homes, affordable units with a lot of bedrooms. Think about that. Have you ever lived in an apartment with three bedrooms, four bedrooms? Probably not, right? Usually two bedrooms or one bedroom is the norm. So for families that are looking for affordable housing or for bigger families, there's just, what are your options? There aren't many. So the more bedrooms, the more money. HUD wants to pay you more money, right? Why do they want to do that? Because they need to put families in homes, okay? They want to make it sweeter for you to take a family and put them in a home, okay? How do they make it sweeter? They pay you more, almost double what it is, right? Almost about 40% more money for a 4-bedroom than a 1, okay? There are a ton of affordable properties, and especially Birmingham, Alabama, where these numbers are, where you can get crazy good returns. I even have a star next to it because I personally will not buy a property for a buy and hold for a rental if it does not have, if it has less than 3 bedrooms, okay? And we've talked about in other videos, there are stipulations around HUD, around Section 8, as far as who can sleep in a bedroom, okay? Meaning, if you have a husband and a wife and they have a couple kids, you can only have 2 kids maximum for a bedroom, and they have to be the same sex. They also can't share a room with their parents. So the parents have their own room, and you might have 2 boys and a girl. You have to get 2 more bedrooms. That's 3 bedrooms right there, okay? You can't put 3 kids in one room, and you can't put a mix of sexes in one room, okay? So if you have 2 boys, 2 girls, obviously they have to share rooms together. So this is just to show you guys the difference. Here you see we're almost at 100% increase from a 1-bedroom to a 4-bedroom in Nashville. HUD wants to pay you guys more. Keep that in mind. More bedrooms, more money. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like the video, leave your comments and questions below, and I will be at you guys soon with some more content. Thanks, guys.